Hello everyone, this is Aditya and we are going to solve a question. This is problem of the day of 11th May 2024. The question is name is minimum cost to hire K worker. In this question we have given N worker and two arrays quality and wage and we have to choose the number of K worker from the paid group. Here we have quality, wage and K equal to 2 in the worker we want. We have to find the least amount of money we needed from the paid group and suppose every worker have their minimum wage. This is the minimum their wage and their wage is direct is depends on the quality of the worker. And if there is a person whose quality 10 and wage and other is 20 but the wage is different, then the worker is paid minimum twice the of the another worker. So the solution, firstly, I want to confess that I did not solve the question by myself only. It take 1.5 hours to implement and search for the solution. I have solved by Chat GPT and Stack Overflow, but I have to solve to maintain my streak. I am willing to get the badge for the May, so I am solving every month question. So you can see there, this is the I have solved using heap or priority queue. So firstly, the approach I have used is the approach that in which firstly I sort the quality and the quality to wage ratio. Then by this ratio, I choose the minimum. Suppose we have to choose two workers. So by solving the minimum quality to wage to quality ratio, I select the minimum two worker according to K, and then I iteratively search for any more ways to quality that we can replace our worker with another worker having high base but more quality than the previous worker. So in this condition, firstly, I will select minimum wage is 30, so I will select first worker of quality 5 and wage 30, and second of 10 क्या 50 quality of the wage is 50 and the quality is 20. So I will select this and the minimum cost will be 80. But what I have done is we have we have another worker, and we are going to switch to quality 20, and we are going to 1 by 2. And for your understanding, I have searched dry run solution for you. So let's see this. This is the dry run of the test case. So here we have given quality, wage, and number of labor. So we are going to firstly sort them on the waste to quality ratio. Here, the second index, this is the indexing of the worker. So firstly, 7 by 70 by 10 equal to 7, 50 by 20 equal to 2.5, 30 by 5 equal to 6. And we have sorted them according to their waste to quality. We have initialized a max heap with 0, quality sim with 0, and firstly we have to hire two worker with minimum value mean 2.5 and 6, and we are going to calculate the result by maximum rate multiply by quality sum. This is the factor we are judging the uh, maximum minimum quality of their of them. We have to iterate it through every worker to find. If no worker left, we have to return 105. Here we have searched for max rate, which is 7. We have quality. We have replaced the quality sum with minimum into 105. Here quality sum was 5, 105. So I have written the code of this. In this code, this is a solution of Python 3. I usually use Python, but in this case I use Python 3 because because I think the function zip is sorting a code of conduct of error in the Python. So firstly, I will say I have created a sorted the zip function is used to wage and quality. We have mixed the wage and quality to iterate in one way. We have sorted the wage by quality ratio for wage quality in their iteration, and for we have find the max ratio by max ratio by every loop, and find the quality sum. In heap q we are pushing max heap and the ratio, and we are finding this. So I'm going to execute it, and this is it. Okay, thank you.